Hi, Phil Guzzo here, coming to you with the my latest incarnation of the Weird Sound Generator Plus by MFOS, Music from Outer Space, Ray Wilson's company, the legendary Ray Wilson. Anyway, this is a Weird Sound Generator plus digital effects, which is mainly, basically a delay. And as you can see, I purposely did not label these things except for these guys here, because I want it to be an experimental, hands-on kind of device. There's also an in, which will run an instrument in through the effects section. It does not run at all through the filter or anything. It just goes through the effects section. So, but right now I have this version has the access for the ins and outs on top and the power on top. So I'm going to record a soundtrack to this film for the film music contest retro sci-fi thing. It may take several takes. I may back up, but I'll try to edit this so that it makes a nice flow for you guys to see. Anyway, let's move on to the show.